36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, talking, walking, sleeping, driving, or smoking. When your name is called, please give the court your full and undivided attention. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Fanchon Davis, ticket number SX4102616, count 1. Driver allowed passenger ride without seatbelt, properly secured. Ticket number 2, count 2 rather. Driver allowed passenger ride without seatbelt, properly secured. And then count 3, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Oh, cool. On behalf of the people.
Your Honor, I think that is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with a suspended license.
Just reading what it says on the ROA.
The trooper provided us with the actual ticket.
Okay.
And that would be trooper before, who was, she's muted, but she provided the ticket with us, to us.
Okay, so what's count, which is which?
It would be allowing a suspended person to operate a vehicle.
Judge, what statute number is on the ticket? Is on the register?
So for count 1, it's set 257.710. I'm sorry, 257.7103, and that's for both 1 and 2.
And the people were asking to amend that to E because of the fact that it's actually on the ticket 710D, which is for 4 and under, and E is for up to 16. That would be 710E.
Your Honor, I'm going to object to any amendment this time. Can we see the because we're not Ms. Cole's not prepared to go to trial today.
Well, I wouldn't say that. I feel like I'm asking, Your Honor.
Yeah, it's just what's in the, I mean, if you guys have the original ticket, I mean, you can just email me. I don't think that's a reason for it to be dismissed. It's just what we have in the computer system.
Your Honor, it's actually, well, you haven't introduced your client or whatever. Ms. Soroki, right. We're asking for a short adjournment, Your Honor.
How about everyone just state their names for the record?
Thank you. Call the call on behalf of the people, P31888, and Trooper before, am I pronouncing your last name correctly, is present.
Good morning, Trooper Melissa Biafor.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Davis.
Yes.
Davis, say your name, please.
Fanchon Davis.
All right. So it's my understanding that the people are asking for an adjournment.
That is correct, Your Honor. We're asking for an adjournment. I want to get the other trooper involved. He had a body cam. Trooper before had not had a body cam on, but the trooper that assisted her in this accident with children, I would like to make sure he's subpoenaed and we have the body cam available. And it might even be necessary to get a assigned attorney due to the seriousness of 2 children in a rollover accident.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm gonna move for dismissal at this time. The people are not ready. The tickets are improperly entered in the court system. Today is the date and time set for trial. And I disagree with Ms. Cole. I don't think that they need an individual lawyer, okay? My client's not being charged with an accident, and all the, the things saying the kids, it doesn't change the fact that she's not ready to go today, today's trial date. So I move for dismissal.
We do have a witness here, and I think if she had to proceed, we could proceed, but the court is going to adjourn this matter. I don't think because it's not entered into the court system properly as a reason for the dismissal. So the court's not going to dismiss this case. We'll grant the adjournment. We can come back on March 7th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Did you get that, Ms. Davis?
Yeah.
3/7 at 9 a.m. Same Zoom number.
Okay.
And the trooper too as well. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Officer Thomas, you are.
Can you email the court a copy of the ticket?
Yes.
and Officer Thomas, Joe Thomas.
Ms. Davis, you can hang up. You're all set.
I hope I got Officer Thomas.
Ricky Reynolds didn't check in, did he?
Ricky Reynolds did not check in.
Okay, so he,
And Officer Bass did check in, but we lost
I
him.
I just saw him and then he disappeared.
Yeah, I guess he'll come back.
Just, Soroka, are you ready on all the people that? we already
Everyone
know?
who's out is ready, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll bring them all out of the.
No,
room.
not everybody, because I didn't get the offer on Winder yet. I haven't talked to Jerry Davis, but the people who are out in the courtroom, we can do.
Binder, the offer is. Ah, I don't have an offer for Binder. I thought she said she was gonna give an offer. Yeah, Ms. Horn's gonna have to come back and give an offer.
Okay, everyone, I'm about to open court. Please come into the camera and find somewhere to be seated. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, smoking, or driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Dion Drake, ticket number SP 1384177, count one, discharge firearm. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Drake.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Say your name, sir.
Dion Drake.
Your Honor, at this time, the people have made a recommendation to my client for a delayed sentence. He's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that.
All right, give me one moment. So this is in the computer properly.
Yeah, if it's not, you know. Those tickets and property should be.
This is not in our computer, right? But she did this is right on the ticket.
Right, but what we're gonna do with the one that's in our computer. Yeah, I guess the one, if it's
We
wrong,
can't make a correction.
that has, I guess it be. Correction, be done downstairs.
It's off and you have to remain in the camera. please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Roger, Dwayne Rogers, you got to remain in the camera.
Which one do we do?
Pardon?
You have to remain in the camera. You can't be walking around because I'll have to remove you.
Yeah.
Okay.
They said. All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Drake. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do,
Put your hand down.
Your Honor. I do,
You
Your
had an
Honor.
opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about it in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of August 28th, 2022 at 6:58 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 1205 St. Clair?
Yeah, yeah.
Near the city of Detroit, in the city? of
Yes, Your
Detroit?
Honor. Yes, Your
And
Honor.
did you discharge a firearm?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Who's satisfied, Ms. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission and will proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence. So you need to pay a fine, Mr. Drake, of $200. You can't get any more tickets in the next 3 months. So once you've paid the fine, you haven't got any more tickets. When you come back on your next court date of May 15th at 8:35, that's your next court date, this will be dismissed off your record. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'll see you May 15th at 8:35.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. This is the People versus Jasmine Dawkins, ticket number P1381659, count 1, driver's license expired, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Jasmine Dawkins.
Your Honor, Pauline
Morning.
Soroki. Pauline Soroki, we have Miss Dawkins, Your Honor. She provided a license that expires on 8/26/26 and insurance that expires on 9/10/2022. I'm asking both her matters be dismissed.
Stipulate to probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are dismissed as Ms. Dawkins has provided valid documentation. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. Do I just leave?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
Mr. Rogers, you have to remain seated. You can't walk around.
Yes,
All right, this is the People versus Ashley Dauphine, ticket number P1384043, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Miss Daphne today, she is requesting a bench trial date and entering a plea of not guilty.
All right, I didn't hear. You say your name, ma'am?
Ashley Dauphine.
All right, you raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for March 7th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You didn't put a card grade. Card grade. No, it was a printout.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm trying to figure out.
All right, this is the People versus Glenisha Davis, ticket number P1384016, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Soroki, we have Miss Davis, Your Honor.
Say your name, Ms. Davis.
Glenisha Davis.
Your Honor, at this time, the people have made a recommendation of failed to display from my client. At this time, she's waiving her rights, asking court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, I do.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Cabinet direct your attention to August 27, 2022 at 12:41 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Joy Road in Metatol in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2019 Jeep vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, I was.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
That's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. Will you stipulate the probable cause as to count 2 to be dismissed without prejudice?
So stipulated.
Is dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Ms. Davis. Can you have that fine paid by March 15th?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions, ma'am?
No, I do not. Oh, yes, I do. Can I get the phone number to call to pay it?
Absolutely. You ready?
Yes.
855-798 1547.
You said 1547?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck. Officer Shabazz,
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
good morning, sir. Mr. Reynolds did not appear, so we're gonna give you some.
Okay, I'll have a great day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, officer.
This is the people versus John Dallas, ticket number P13675881. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of John Dallas.
John Dallas, Your Honor.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's entering a plea not guilty. I'm asking that he be placed in a street court program.
All right, I will make a referral. All right, Mr. Dallas, I haven't addressed that as on here. We'll recall, just hang tight. We'll go off live and get your information. This is the people versus Dwayne Rogers, ticket number SP 1346933, count 2, driver's license expired, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Dwayne Rogers.
Say your name, sir.
Dwayne Rogers.
Your Honor, these matters are set for trial today. My understanding is the officer did not appear. I move for dismissal.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You are all set, Mr. Rogers. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. This is the people versus Philip Hargrave, ticket number SP 1388933, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor,
My name is Philip. Oh, sorry.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Philip Hargrave.
Yes,
name, sir.
Philip Hargrave. Thank you and good morning, everyone.
Your Honor, Mr. Hargrave showed me an insurance dated 5/7/2023. I'm moving for dismissal.
You stipulate to proper cause, Mr. Roki?
So stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Hargrave has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Mr. Hargrave. Good luck to you, sir.
And thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You can hang up, Mr. Rogers.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Ms. Soroki, the offer for Winder Darby is limited access